Hi there, it's Wendy from So Wendyful, and usually I bring you snippets from my stitchery, but today I'm bringing you a snippet from the Festival of Quilts that I attended in Birmingham in August 2025. The Festival of Quilts is no doubt one of the largest quilt festivals in Europe, and I got to see the most amazing quilts. I got to do some incredible amount of shopping, and I got to meet my favourite YouTube star, Kate Jackson from The Last Homely House, who, by the way, is as lovely and as warm-hearted as she is on her YouTube channel. So sit back, take a few moments out of this busy time leading up to Christmas 2025 and enjoy the fantastic artwork that you can see on display here. And I'll see you next year in 2026, where I will be bringing you more snippets from my stitchery, more tutorials and more interesting moments like this. So hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, do like it, and leave a comment if you went to the Festival of Quilts. I'd love to hear what you thought of it. Again, season greetings to you all, and have a wonderful Christmas and holiday season, and I'll see you in 2026.